So you've heard creatine will make you bald, or bloated, or turn you into a water balloon that looks puffy and soft. Maybe you've even heard it'll grow body hair like you're auditioning for a werewolf movie. Yeah, no, let me fix that. I ran a 365-day experiment. Same dose, every single day, for an entire year. And today, I'm gonna tell you exactly what happened. No clickbait, no supplement company BS, just the truth. Because if I'm a crash test dummy, you get to skip the myths and go straight to results. First, reality check. Creatine is not some sketchy lab chemical. It's not rocket fuel. It's not a steroid. It's a compound your body already makes, naturally, in your liver, kidneys, and pancreas. Your muscles use something called ATP for energy. Think of ATP as the battery pack that powers every rep, every sprint, every move you make. The problem is, that battery runs out faster than your motivation on leg day. When you lift heavy or go hard, your ATP stores get drained in about 10 seconds. That's it. But here's where creatine comes in. Creatine helps regenerate ATP faster. More ATP equals more reps, more power, more gains. It's that simple. You're not cheating, you're just refueling smarter. So no, it's not magic, it's biochemistry, and it works. All right, so you're sold. You want to buy some, but then you walk into the supplement zoo. Creatine HCl, buffered creatine, creatine ethyl ester, creatine with a picture of a lion roaring on it. Gigachad Games formula, now in unicorn blast flavor. Here's the deal, ignore all of it. Creatine monohydrate, that's it. This is the only form with decades of research behind it. It's the cheapest, the safest, and the most effective. Everything else is marketing fairy dust designed to empty your wallet. If the label says anything other than creatine monohydrate, put it back. You don't need micronized, you don't need buffered, you don't need it to taste like birthday cake. Just get the plain stuff and move on. Now, how do you actually take it? There are two methods, the speed run and the chill route. The loading phase is like speed running your creatine levels. You take 20 grams a day, split into 4 doses of 5 grams each for 5 to 7 days. This saturates your muscles fast. Sounds great, right? Except here's the catch. 20 grams a day can turn your stomach into a war zone. Digestive horror stories, bloating, frequent trips to the bathroom. You know what I mean. Or you skip the drama and go with the daily method, 5 grams per day, every day. No loading, no bloating, no regrets. 5 grams, 1 scoop. That's the sweet spot for most people, and that's exactly what I did for 365 days. No loading, no bloating, no regrets. Next question, when do you actually take it? Pre-workout, post-workout, during your morning coffee while you stare blankly at your phone? Here's the truth, it doesn't really matter. Creatine isn't a pre-workout stimulant. It doesn't kick in 30 minutes after you take it. It builds up in your system over time. So the magic window everyone obsesses about, yeah, that's a myth. The best time to take creatine is the time you'll actually remember to take it every day. Consistency beats timing, period. Now, what do you mix it with? Water works, juice works, protein shake works. Some people say caffeine interferes with creatine absorption, but the research is mixed. If you're paranoid, just separate them by a couple of hours. Problem solved. I mixed mine with water every morning. Boring? Maybe. Effective? Absolutely. All right, moment of truth. After 365 days of 5 grams daily, here's what actually changed. Number 1, strength gains that stack up. I didn't suddenly bench press a car, but I did add reps to my sets. I hit PRs more consistently. Those extra 1 to 2 reps per set over a year, that adds up to serious progress. Number 2, fuller muscles. Creatine pulls water into your muscle cells, not under your skin, so your muscles look fuller, denser, and more pumped. No, you're not bloated, you're not puffy, you just look like you actually lift. Number 3, faster recovery. I could train harder, more frequently, without feeling completely wrecked. Recovery between sets felt smoother. Recovery between workouts felt faster. And the side effects everyone warned me about, the balding, the bloating, the weird stuff, still have my hair, still have my jawline, no bloating, no issues. Let's end this once and for all. Does creatine make you bald? No, it doesn't. There's one study from 2009 that showed creatine might increase DHT, a hormone linked to hair loss. But here's the thing. That study has never been replicated, and DHT doesn't cause baldness unless you're already genetically predisposed to it. If you're going bald, blame your genetics. Blame your grandpa. Don't blame the creatine. Look, creatine is the most researched supplement in the world. It's been studied for decades. It's safe, it's effective, and it's cheap. If you want better workouts, faster recovery, and real strength gains without the industry BS, this is it. So here's the deal. If you want to stop wasting money on overpriced supplements that don't work, start with creatine monohydrate, 5 grams every day. No loading, no unicorn flavors, just results. And if you want to learn more fitness workouts, download my free workout plan. Click the link in the description. Stop overthinking it, start taking it, and let's get to work. See you in the next one.